Hi folks, we're out here with some Frangible ammo. This is 50 grain. It's a brown tip that we've reloaded. This stuff's not very accurate. I'm going to go ahead and I'm only shooting 50 yards. I've got a 12-inch steel plate down here. The nice thing about Frangible, we don't have to worry about any bounce back from the jackets or anything. It's just going to burst. We're just going to shoot 10 rounds at it, see how well we can do. As I say, this stuff's all over the place. It's not the greatest accuracy stuff I've ever shot, but we'll see how many times we can hit it on this plate out of 10. So it looks like we got it 8 or 7 out of 10 times. That's about average for it. As you can see, that it is highly inaccurate. It's just not really a decent load. I wouldn't see much use for it other than like 25 yards if you're shooting at a steel target. But as I say, when that hits a target, it should totally obliterate. You don't have to worry about anything coming back on you, and you can shoot it up close. Well, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please subscribe.